I'm no hair expert, but growing my hair for the last 10 years has given me some experience and some insights. And I'm here to share 10 things with you if you're looking to start your natural hair journey. We can call this my ultimate hair growth tips. Number one, I never dry comb my hair. I mean, just taking down the hairstyle while it is still kinky and all of that, and I just take a comb and start going through it. No, I never do that. I must moisturize with either water mix, which contains water and leave-in conditioner, or basically just water or leave-in conditioner or basic conditioner, just anything that can help my hair to have some slip, and I can use my fingers to detangle before I go in with my actual comb. Number two, I avoid high tension hairstyles. I'd rather have an ugly hairstyle than for it to be tight and painful. Number three, I never apply gel to dry hair. I mean, sometimes my hair is like dry and stretched, but that doesn't mean my hair is dry. I mean, just washing your hair and applying gel, I never ever do that. I always make sure that underneath my gel there is water, there's leave-in conditioner, there's oil, my hair is properly moisturized, so that even if it is dry and stretched, there is some moisture and there's a barrier between my hair and the gel, because we don't want the gel to like stiffen up my hair and then break it afterwards. That's going to undo all my hard work. The less heat, the better. If you can air dry your hair, then please do. I air dry my hair most of the time because blow drying is stressful, so the less heat, the better. 5, leave the hair alone. Number 6, develop a proper moisture routine. My proper moisture routine is water, leave-in conditioner, and oil, or water, leave-in conditioner, and shea butter. That's it. Leave the hair alone. I know when people say leave the hair alone, people are like, but why would I do that? My hair is hard to manage. How is the hair supposed to grow if I'm not braiding it? The truth is, my hair has grown the best, the longest when I left it alone. The hair just grows. It grows. How you maintain it is what determines if your length will be retained. DIY helps a lot. I DIY a lot of my hairstyles because it is clear to me that a lot of salons have not put in the time to learn how to manage natural kinky hair. So since the salons are still coming up, I'd rather just manage my hair because I know how it hurts. I know where it hurts. I know how I want my hair to look. So I take my time and I do it. And if I mess it up, I can live with it because I'm the one that made the hair. I'm the one that made the decision. Drink lots of water. Eating inside, what you take inside also matters as much as what you put on the hair, so you have to work from inside out as well. Be gentle and take time with your hair. That's why I always insist on DIYing. If you're washing your hair by yourself and you don't have a professional, obviously doing your hair by yourself, you're going to be gentle. You take your time. Try not to be angry when you're doing your hair. Just love on your hair. It is always worth it. And please, if you can find a professional to trim the dead split ends, you need to let that dead weight go away. And I'm talking to myself as well. So how long have you been natural? If you have any tips for us, or if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer and chat with you guys. Ensure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.